Balance your macronutrients. Macronutrients are the three main components of your diet: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Balancing these is crucial for overall health. Carbs provide energy, proteins repair and build tissues, and fats support various bodily functions. Aim for a balanced intake of these macronutrients. Choose whole foods. Whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats are rich in nutrients and fiber. They provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants while helping you feel full and satisfied. Watch portion sizes. Controlling portion sizes helps prevent overeating. Use measuring cups or visual cues to gauge appropriate portions. Eating mindfully, without distractions, can also help you recognize when you're full. Prioritize fiber-rich foods. Fiber aids digestion, keeps you feeling full, and supports heart health. Incorporate foods like whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables into your diet to increase your fiber intake. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for bodily functions. Water helps regulate temperature, transport nutrients, and remove waste products. Aim to drink at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water daily, but individual needs may vary. Reduce added sugars. Excessive added sugars in your diet can lead to weight gain and various health issues. Be mindful of hidden sugars in processed foods and choose natural sweeteners like honey or fruit when possible. Limit processed foods. Processed foods often contain excess sodium, unhealthy fats, and additives. Minimize your intake of packaged snacks, sugary drinks, and fast food. Opt for whole, minimally processed alternatives. Include healthy fats. Not all fats are bad. Healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish, e.g., salmon, provide essential fatty acids and support brain and heart health. Moderation is key. Vary your protein sources. Different protein sources offer varying nutrients. Incorporate a variety of lean proteins such as poultry, fish, tofu, beans, and legumes to ensure a well-rounded diet. Plan your meals. Meal planning helps you make healthier choices and avoid impulsive eating. Plan balanced meals and snacks ahead of time to ensure you meet your nutritional goals. Read food labels. Food labels provide important information about the contents of packaged foods. Pay attention to serving sizes, ingredient lists, and nutrient values to make informed choices. Listen to your body. Tune into your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eating when you're truly hungry and stopping when you're satisfied can help you maintain a healthy weight and avoid overeating. Consider special dietary needs. Some individuals have specific dietary requirements due to allergies, intolerances, or medical conditions. Consult a healthcare professional or dietitian for personalized guidance. Seek professional guidance. If you have unique health goals or dietary concerns, consulting a registered dietitian or nutritionist can provide you with personalized guidance and a tailored nutrition plan. Thanks for watching.